To the members of our Guan group headed by my upperclassman, Police Brigadier General Romel Batangan, sir. My classmate, our DRTO, Police, soon to be, Police General Ray Okay. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan. Hintay labok. To my squadmate from the other class daw, our CRS, Colonel Mahar Villasis. Of course, to this morning host, the former PD of Nueva Ecija, now the R5, Police Colonel the Perdi Hermino. To the members of the regional staff, NSUs, NUPs, marami akong pan dyan pans. The PNCOs, sa aking mga kapatid sa serbisyo, the men and women of Rotary, magandang umaga po. Alam nyo, ito ay parang homecoming for me. Bulacan is home, Central Luzon is home. I have served this region before bilang Provincial Director ng Nueva Ecija. I also serve as the Regional Chief of CIDG 3. Kaya hindi ito bagong lugar sa akin. Lalong hindi bago sa akin ang tapang, dedikasyon at kakayahan. As I said during my assumption of office, this designation is not merely authority. It is a solemn responsibility. Responsibility to lead with integrity, with transparency, and with accountability. Maliwanag ang ating mandato to enforce the law fairly, prevent and solve crimes efficiently, maintain peace and order, and ensure public safety across Central Luzon. We will intensify our campaigns against illegal drugs, organized crime, loose firearms, cybercrime, smuggling, lalo na yung mga nagkalat na peking sigarilyo dito sa Region 3. Lahat ng banta sa ating komunidad. Pero nais kong bigyang din ngayong umaga, hindi lamang operasyon ang ating pagtutunan. Hindi lamang numero, hindi lamang accomplishment. Ang pundasyon ng lahat ay ang ating integrity.